Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkanyusi Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. So now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your domain on Meta or Facebook. So we're going to go to the Facebook Ad Manager. So I really suggest that you watch this video closely, and if you have followed all the steps in the course of my previous videos, then you should be fine. Yeah. Please be sure that if you have registered your domain with the domain registrar that I've suggested, then you can follow this video step by step, the same domain registrar as me. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap this URL not in Google, but on your tab where you put websites and name of websites. So I'm going to take this and just put it automatically there. And then what you should see is your Facebook Ad Manager. So it should look like this, right? The first thing, get set up to run ads. Right, so we're going to click this button. So that's our ad account. So we need to verify our domain. One of website domain not verified. So we're going to go to Events Manager. So you should see your domain for your WordPress website over here. So if you synced your Facebook onto your WordPress store, you should see your domain here. All you got to do is click verify domain. Then you go here and you say verify domain. Now that we've got here to our place where we have to manage our domains, what we're going to do, we're going to add, and we're going to say create new domain. And you're going to type your website domain exactly as you saw it before. So I'm going to go omnipotent.africa. So do not add prefixes, so no HTTP / none of that. Just put it the domain as you'd say to a friend. So you're going to go omnipotent.africa, or you put your URL, your shop's URL website there. And then we're going to come to this place. So add a meta tag to HTML code. So this is where it's going to get very important, and where your domain register is very crucial. So wherever you registered your domain and where you purchased your hosting, right, you are going to click the third option, update the DNS TXT record with your domain registrar. So you're going to click here, all right? And what I want you to do is I want you to screenshot, because we're going to send an email to our domain register and they are going to do this for us. So I'm not going to show you how to do this by yourself. So all you got to do is take a screenshot over here. And if you are using the same, if you've been following the course instruction and you've been, if you got your domain at the place that I suggested you get your domain, so you can follow step by step. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go to our Gmail. Once you are on Gmail, all I need you to do is send an email to info@ricardi.co.za, and your subject to your email will be verifying my domain name for Facebook. You say, hi, Ricardi, please verify my domain for Facebook so that I can run ads on my store. What you do is we want to attach the screenshot so we can give the developer or the host the instructions, because there's certain code that they have to embed on your DNS and TXT records. So you want to ensure that they have everything there, um, and all the instructions. And if you want to even make it easier for them, you can just follow the instructions, just copy that line, follow the instructions to add this TXT record in your DNS, and then all you got to do is press send. And then what they will do is that they will ensure that your domain is verified. I'm just going to show you what what a verified domain looks like, and then I'll take you to the next step. So I've just went on to my other domains that I've verified. So what's important here is that you want to see it change from not verified to verified like this. And that's when you know the developer has followed the instructions and has verified your domain. Thank you.